Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to create these Dutch braid cornrows into pigtails. Begin with the partings. First I create the weavy parting that cross my head, and then I take small piece from that shape and put all the rest of the hair away and start to braid with that small curvy slide. Take 3 strands and start to move strands alternately from side under to the middle. Add hair from both sides of the braid. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Left under, add hair. Right under, add hair. Left under, add hair. Keep on repeating in this way until you braided the whole slice inside the braid. It takes for a while, so I speed up a little bit. Once you finish the curvy braid that shares the hair in 2 pieces, take a curvy part from the left side and start braiding from back to forwards. 3 strands again and start to move them like before from side under to the middle, but this time add hair only from the right side of the braid. Left under without adding and right under with adding. Left under, right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Left under, right under, add hair. Keep on repeating. Once you're getting to the front, it's time to turn the braid to backwards. So start to add hair from the both sides of the braid, and when you do that, the braid turns naturally backwards. Once you get to the back side of the head, add also the braid in the middle, inside the braid like this, and after that continue braiding until the end of the hair. Next, I create just a simple Dutch braid using the rest of the hair. So 3 strands, and start to move strands from side under to the middle, adding hair from the both sides of the braid. Right under, add hair, left under, add hair. Right under, add hair, and left under, add hair. Keep on repeating. And here you can see the final result of this hairstyle. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Have a great day and happy braiding!